am Ginny Oliaro, and I'm an Aeroflow Sleep patient. I've had sleep apnea for longer than I care to admit and longer than I've been diagnosed with it.
Ginny and I have been best friends since high school, so when I found out that she had sleep apnea, I became very interested in it.
Meagan actually convinced me to come over to Aeroflow from a different company, and it has been so smooth.
Aeroflow Sleep has tons of options available to you. Ginny is just one success story, and like I said, I'm really glad that it got to be her, because she is my best friend and we want to keep her alive.
And I have a surprise for you.
You do?
Yeah.
What?
Guess what came in the mail today?
Oh, stop.
So let me go get my supplies and we can open them on camera. So, delightfully, it did come in this tiny little bubble mailer, and everything I need is in it, which was a shock to me because I did get big boxes before.
Discreet packaging. Something we like.
And everything is in here, and it is obscene what they can fit. So, what's in my CPAP bag? So, I've got a new mask, and this one is over the nose and mouth, but I can still wear my glasses when I wear it, which is great for watching TV in bed.
Yeah, that's the ResMed AirFit F30i.
Yes.
So it has like top of head tubing. Most of the times your tube has to be connected to the front of your CPAP mask. It also has a hollow frame, makes it a whole lot easier to wear. Do you want to open it?
Yeah, I can open it. I definitely look like a little bit of a weird Teletubby when I wear it.
That's totally fine.
The mask situates like this. This is the nose piece, and it's kind of like a little pillow that my nose sits in. And then this part covers my mouth. And then this is silicone, and it sits over the top of my head and on the sides of my face. And the tubing pipe is up here, and so it blows the air down that way, and it's much more comfortable. It's also far less bulky than my old setup.
Thank you for showing us this. Seriously, it's a really big deal that we're able to see you unboxing your actual CPAP supplies from Aeroflow Sleep.
I have a new heated tube, which admittedly I don't use the heating function as much as I probably should. But it is good, and especially when I'm sick, I love using this as like a built-in humidifier.
Absolutely, that's the whole point of the heated tubing. So she is right that we do offer standard tubing most often. The heated element is for people who have naturally dry mouths or live in a climate where it is colder. It is great during cold and flu season, so I'm glad you're getting some benefits out of it.
Yeah, and I also got more filters, which
Yay!
is probably the most important part because nobody wants to breathe in nasty air.
No.
So, and luckily my machine is so smart that it tells me when I do need to replace those filters, so I don't even have to think about it.
But obviously I love my best friend. I love that she is now safe and using her CPAP machine. Aeroflow Sleep has such great CPAP machines available to you, up to 100% through insurance.
And I can literally make it rain filters. Thanks for doing What's in My CPAP Bag with me.